will be start in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, several questions raised regarding the Defense Ministry and the External Affairs and Irrigation Ministries have been clarified by my colleague from those ministries. Full stop. My task, therefore, has been simplified to that extent. Full stop. Before I go to the questions, financial and economic, raised by several honorable members, I should like to clarify one or two points which are more administrative than economic or financial. Full stop. One of them was raised by my honorable friend. Full stop. He raised the question about the recruitment by the assistant superintendent's departmental competitive examination, and particularly about the examinations held in 1960. Full stop. He said that about rupees 6 lakhs were spent for the 1960 examination, and later it was declared that no vacancies were available. Full stop. He therefore, suggested that a definite procedure should be there and the examination should be held according to the vacancies declared in advance, and all persons who have qualified in that examination should be eligible for promotion or for appointment. Full stop. New para. Sir, I do not know whether the honorable members knows how these vacancies are filled. Full stop. He probably refers to the section officers grade in the Central Secretariat Service. Full stop. This is filled 50% by direct recruitment and 25% by departmental competitive examination open to the assistants, the next lower grade, and the rest 25% by promotion of the assistants on the basis of seniority, subject to fitness. Full stop. The examination, therefore, that he was referring to was a departmental competitive examination for filling 25% of the vacancies. Full stop. It takes about 1 year for the Union Public Service Commission to declare the results of the examinations from the time they take up the questions of the examination. Full stop. It is not therefore possible to declare the number of vacancies to be filled in from the very beginning. Full stop. To declare them just when the results are out is more realistic, and that is what is done. Full stop. Sir, if the examination is treated as qualifying examination, the number of persons who will thus become eligible for appointment will be quite unrelated to the number of vacancies to be filled in, and then the very situation which the honorable member wishes to avoid would arise. Full stop. It would not then be possible to hold any of the examinations at regular intervals, and promotions against this quota would become very fitful. Full stop. New para. The honorable member also suggested that the rules for the recruitment and promotion, etc., full stop, should be uniform for all ministries, whether participating in the central secretariat service scheme or not, full stop. It must be, and this is so except for the Ministry of External Affairs and the Railways, full stop. These have different rules, but these rules are very much similar and there is not much difference, full stop. But because these persons are recruited for different purposes and by different agencies, they are separate, full stop. Therefore, his purpose in saying that there should be uniformity is almost carried out, full stop. The only difference is that the Ministry of Home Affairs does not control the services in these two ministries, full stop. New para. Then, sir, questions were raised about backward areas and the backward states and also about the city of Calcutta, full stop. If the budget is properly securitized, it would be found that assistance is provided for the states, particularly the backward states, and the Finance Commission, which assesses the overall recruitments of the states, takes this into consideration and make its recommendation, which are carried out every time the Finance Commission's recommendations are received, and they are received periodically according to the Constitution, full stop. Sir, I would like to give the total amount paid to the states on this account, full stop. New para. The main objective of planning is to create conditions in which living standards are raised in a sufficiently reasonable level and all citizens are given full and equal opportunity for growth and service, full stop. The plans seek to provide a balanced emphasis on increase in production and employment, full stop. The development plans are thus accepted as the means for ensuring equitable development in the field of social services, full stop. There is no reason to suppose that the needs of the less fortunate or prosperous states are being neglected, full stop. But it would not be proper to expect that all these differences could be wiped out now immediately, full stop. It must be seen whether we are going towards that very end or not, full stop. We are deliberately going towards that end. We hope and trust that in course of time these inequalities would be wiped out, full stop. If not completely wiped out, at any rate they would be lessened, full stop. My honorable friend complained about inadequate provision included in the plan for meeting the growing requirements of the city of Calcutta, where even the basic services like water supply, sewage disposal and drainage were not being augmented, and that the central government was not enthusiastic about solving these difficulties, full stop.